Yo, what's good, my P?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Yo, what's good, my people? It's your boy. Many are 2 numbers back at it again. I know it's been a while. Okay, it hasn't been a while. It's been a while for me, but hopefully for you guys it's not a while because there's 2 more videos that I've already edited. I'm waiting to post. So, today we're going to Centurion Shutdown. Shutdown, hosted by Uzoro, my boy. Basically, I'm supporting one of my fellow friendem. I'm with my boy TK here. Say hi, TK. Yo. Yeah, that's my boy TK. Sisuga Gute and that. See, I have a pimp all here. Tough. Is it supposed to be here?
Yeah, here.
Anywhere, like.
Yeah.
Or even you have one. So, yeah, I have this love pimple, and I don't know. Yeah, they love me. I'm loved.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yo, my people, I've arrived. As you can see, my motor vehicle is behind me here. This brewer. I have my brewer, #1 biggest fan. Yeah. And then I have Babu Kuba here there. I have Babu Kuba here. Antwana, you're my bra. I said you're my bra and you're my biggest fan. Because you are my bra.
Yeah, guys.
And then I have this bra of mine from all the time.
From years back.
Yeah, you see, it's Ora family.
I'm not out of family.
You are busy doing that. Yeah,
so bafowethu niyazi niyazi bafowethu re sila Centurion Shutdown etwakwelipila.
Shoutout Centurion.
Sila Centurion Shutdown. Yeah, the outcome almost probably. Yeah, I'm continuing with English. The outcome will most probably try his best to show y'all most, if not all, the transies here. And yeah, can I let Manazri twerk.
yeah, he's all speaking Kak only. Hola there. You know. This is Zoro, guys. He's the host. Why is that chigeli kada? What's up, Kono? Bolam ram.
Ari pushing
It's like the boy with the bike. How are you?
I'm good. Hey, why
Oh my days. Le Habli. In Ale, it's designated what?
Expensive stunts, bro.
The host's motor vehicle. As you can see, it's eating. It's cooking. Dinsdag. Ke ngau vlog vandaag. To vlog no. Was at 2 million na no vlog ka offer. Una stress sai. Wena ntwana ka ra usar just serious da mo YouTube ne.
Get load. Mara aje we go drop ani next week drop.
Drop next week.
Yeah.
Ana vlog YouTube. Manje my friend. Oh, mchifasi ne. Mchifasi ne. Wana wa ora fama lo ora fama. You're late. You're late. You're late. Why you late? Why you late?
I'm sorry. But I'm gonna vlog you.
Cool, brother.
Yeah.
You be driving with paper. You're driving. And then people are seeing you straight. Look, Fishbone! Fishbone! No!
gonna do-
When?
Give me a month. End of June.
And then Twana Koi post already.
End of June.
And I'm gonna
End of June.
sharp. Like what I get.
And-
Like what I get.
Yeah.
Sharp. Front also.
But in front, I'm gonna go 50.
As long there's something.
I'm gonna go 50.
Okay, sides.
Sides, I'm gonna go 35.
You pass.
Yeah,
You pass.
excited.
So now imagine
No.
you're driving in a clean car like this. You're busy cruising there. And then the lights now they're
the
brighting for
reflection.
everyone else.
The reflection.
I know because I've once had this
Yeah.
fishbowl.
So I'm gonna end of June. End of June. It's a promise.
Limkwe like
But then I'm gonna go as light as possible, copy.
Limkwe like a sharp.
Away.
I believe you.
Away.
I believe you.
Come baptize me.
How do you feel being blessed by your biggest bra?
I'm joining the club now. Can I get tattoo whatever side?
This man right here has been afraid of getting stickers for the past how many years? How many years? Almost 6-7 years. And apparently I'm the one to bless him with his first sticker. Apparently, we don't know. Apparently, I don't know. I just heard the people say. Me pequele ao palmo para ele.
Waropa.
3:28 a.m.
Can modify bags every day.
Ah, ntwana. Re nye ke motho so ibofeng. Ile kodi. Cause aka sisi kodi mi.
Before niya real thing. Aibu.
Aibo fi.
Again.
Yabo.
Yabo,
Mara, what's up, Fabia?
Ibo fazo.
Bofanya,
Uma half thread.
2 thread straight.
Chifti salto.
Okasbo, no good chips to okasbo and tiki diamond.
No one has any.
Why want it?
Ise udi already. Man twan. Wait. Twana a era up kai. Abone something.
I don't know fast. Oh.
Shy.
Cancha CV, yo. I'll take your.
Yo, what's good, my people? It's the end of the night. It's dark. I'm tired. I ran a 10K in the morning. I'm a runner now. Top runner. Anyways, yo, we had fun there by Centurion. Shutdown Centurion. It was a ball. It was a vibe. Hopefully we'll do it again next year with you guys and me together again. You see, so now I'm gonna go sleep because I'm tired. What time is it? It's like 10. So it's late, especially for it being like a wintry type season. Yeah. So I'm still here with my boy TK. Obvious. He's my twin, basically. You see, we look alike. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down on what car you liked or what car you didn't like. Then I'll tell you if you are wrong or right because I have all the answers. TK, what was your favorite car? Thank you. You see, correct. No wrong answers, no right answers. But that one was the right answer. Sharp. I love you guys. My people, I've arrived. As you can see, my baby is behind me. I have Mr. Scams. I picked him up. He was busy with people.